Hello, Chef here with yet another fabulous recipe to share with you, the viewer. So I bet you're wondering, what's in my pot? Well, I'm going to start by showing you what's not in my pot. Aha! This gigantic smoked ham bone. I pulled it out a few minutes ago. So I know you want to see this recipe, and I am going to share it with you. However, you must smash the little like button down there, little heart, little love. Share the love. It helps other people find the video, and it makes the chef excited. Yeah. Oh yeah. Time for a quick tasting. Wow. Need to adjust the spiciness. Little dash of my favorite hot sauce. Uh-huh. Couple more herbs. Uh-huh. Be right back. In one of the kitchens with one of these cutting boards, and almost every week or bi-weekly, people ask me, Chef, how do you clean that cutting board? So that's what I'm gonna touch on here right now. Yeah, the ham bone. So I always like to remove some of this special flavorful meat from the ham bone and put some of this meat on the soup for the garnish. Look at that. Chives from the Magic Garden. Just a few. So this is a rock maple board. It's reversible. It's 20 by 15 by 2 1/4, and it's one of these. Really good quality here. I like it. This one's been used for a long time. Oh, yet another chef tip for you. Chef likes to recycle. This is a leftover piece of parchment paper from some of the cookies we like to bake. I'm going to make a very small pastry bag right there. Save this for another project. And that right there is the world's cheapest pastry bag. Yep. Sour cream. Maybe more than 6 or 7 years, I think. So as it gets dirty, we're using the bench scraper to scrape it off, just like this. Any residue that's left, you can just put on a paper towel and you can see it right there. Okay, towel dry it, that's good. All right, okay, time to try this black bean soup. Uh-huh. World's smallest pastry bag. Recycled material, I like it. And a recycled toothpick. Interesting pattern. Chives. And a touch of shredded ham. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Thanks for watching. Find the full recipe below in the links and comments. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, get cooking and have a great day. It's gonna be good. Tell by looking at this, the board's getting a little bit dry. It's ready for an application of mystery oil. There's another product, a little thicker, that has a little more beeswax. That's the board cream. Good stuff. Shake it up. I've got more tricks. Watch some of the other videos. More tricks with this too. We shake it up. We put it on in a swirling motion like this. Okay. And we use a plastic bag because it can be recycled. And I don't want any fire hazard or anything around, floating around, any used product. Plastic bag, recycle. Circular motion like this. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm almost done. Alright, so that's it. This surface has been treated. You can do the sides if you'd like. And I'll show you one more trick. By utilizing 2 silicone trivets, can score this and this at the sponsor, trivets as well. These can go underneath, so you can set them on your countertop, put the oiled side down, and you're ready to continue your work or your prep or your cooking on this side. Oil this side about a week later, or even the next day. Oh, this end grain surface is very similar. Same thing. Bench scraper. Give it a little scrape. Remove any food particles or dirt that might be on there. Oh yeah, look at all that. Some of this is spices, by the way, okay? This is good to go. Yeah, and now you repeat with a little bit of this magical mystery oil. Just a little bit like this. Plastic bag, recyclable. Swirling motion. There, oh yeah, looking good. That surface is treated and it's ready to go. I would repeat this at least monthly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe right there. Smash that little like button so other people find the videos. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. Oh yeah, it's looking really, really good. Check out the huge selection at your sponsor. Edge grain, end grain, maple, cherry, walnut. Big blocks, small blocks, countertops, island tops, cutting boards, and many, many other wood products and applications. Thanks for watching. After I'm done prepping the food, I wipe the cutting board off with a damp towel, paper towel, disposable, and finish with a dry kitchen towel. Kills germs naturally. Wow. That's the best cutting surface you could own right there. Check it out. They do custom sizes. They do edge grain, end grain, maple, walnut, cherry, islands, counters, tables, cutting boards, chopping blocks, and these babies last for a long, long time. This one here is at least 20 years used. You can see just how nice it is. The patina, the quality, wow, I like it. And it's a pleasure to chop on. Yeah. Visit your sponsors. So you're in the market for maple countertops. Why not go with the best the first time? Select solid rock maple, full rails, or blended North American hard rock maple is ideal for a countertop surface, islands, tables, backsplashes. Buy the best the first time and choose food-safe Varnique finish or natural mineral oil. Check it out at your sponsor. Wow. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food-safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff. And it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Back to the patina. Just like that. And I'm going to work it in plastic bag here, a little swirl motion like this. Okay, work it in real good. If your block's really dry, it's going to suck that oil right up. This particular block has not been oiled in a while, so it's sucking it right up really quick. You can see that. It's penetrating. Yeah. Check out the sponsor, All Things Butcher Block. As seen on TV and used by chefs and food service professionals around the world. Check it out at the sponsor. They're having a free shipping sale, and wow, it's the best. The best butcher blocks made in the USA, as seen on TV. Contact the sponsor for yours.